Right, so what we've got here, we've got the worm assembled, we've got the nut in, but we haven't got the lock nut on. We're going to set this up. Now, I used to do this by the book. I had a disc made by JP and we used to put string around it and pull it. Let me come up with a better idea. This little thing here. What is it? It's a universal joint like this that goes on your steering shaft. And I got a piece of tube, thus, and I cut this off, you know, like halfway, and I welded that between the two yokes, and then I got a quarter drive socket and welded that into there, and we ended up with that. So now we put this over the end of here, like this, look, and now we can use a quarter drive bar to test what the settings are. Now obviously you can, this is a bad thing because it's at the wrong side for me to see, but this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to turn this round in the vise so I can see what the gauge is, and then we're going to adjust the nut accordingly. Now to adjust the nut accordingly, the first tool I ever made was this one here. I knocked it up out of a bit of old steel, you know, 3/8 or something like that, a ½ inch, whatever you want to do. And I did it with a plasma cutter, but you can see I wasn't quite in the middle, but it doesn't really matter. But it went okay because it goes in the back of here. Alright. The next one, I got a bolt, and I got a good old JP to put in his milling machine and mill it down. Alright, now I'm going to measure this nut to show you what size it is. It is an imperial size, but I've got to change my battery. I had to go and measure this. It's an 1 AF. This is an AF bolt because it's got the little marks on the outside. It's not metric. What the hell is that? So we put that in there, and we can turn our shaft here, and we're nowhere near. Oh, by the way, he milled that down to 19mm or 3/4 inch. Doesn't really matter. Same size. So we're going to sort of increase this, we're going to tighten it up and then back it off, then tighten it up again. There, so that's nipped up, and that is quite tight. So what we're going to do is back this off, move my down, back this off, so we're all loose. I'm just going to try that once more, tighten it up. Yeah, you can feel the bearings are really sort of grindy because they're too tight, look. So we're going to back this off now. We've set them down. And then we're going to check that. So it's about ½ Newton-meter. Right, I think that's about right. It feels nice. You can turn it with your fingers, so that's a good thing. So now we're going to put the locking nut on. We are getting close to the point where we were when we took this off. And we'll check that again to make sure that hasn't moved. Lovely. So, with that tightened up, now we can put the shaft in.